So here we have the front Fairlead assembly. We've already taken the face of it and used magnets to hold the side supports, which actually box the Fairlead in. You're going to have 4 tabs on the face. You can go ahead and tack weld these. Then once all 4 are tack welded, you'll move on to the sides. Once you get the sides on, they're indexed so that you can only go on one way. And you'll go ahead and notch them in. You're going to want to make sure they fit on the inside of those box brackets that you just tacked on. So it's imperative to make sure that everything's going in at a 90-degree angle so everything fits properly. And again, these are all notched, so you can't really mess this up.
That is why I didn't want to burn it in. Ah, shit.
So you can see here it's notched, set it back down, use some magnets to hold it upright. Once you have it kind of boxed in place, go ahead and tack that in.
No?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, you know when you used to tell her, oh, cool story, dude.
Tack the other side. And then you're going to put on the face, which actually will bolt to the bumper brackets. And this is what holds the Fairlead into the truck. And use your magnet again to ensure everything's going in at a 90-degree angle. This should all be pretty self-explanatory once you see it in person. And go ahead and tack those down. So keep in mind, this is just a demo video of how to assemble this. We're not going through the full welding process. This is just tack welds, hold it all in place. Once you have your tacks in, you'll go back and you'll actually complete these welds. And then once your welds are complete, you can grind them and finish your project with paint or powder coat, whatever you desire.
Fuck. Yeah, no, that's cool. But I think this one was supposed to be over here and this one.
We're just adding a little bit more to the tack weld process in here.
Side. This side?
So this is your first step of assembling the actual winch bracket. We have the back bottom plate, which attaches to the cross member on the truck. This piece here gets assembled like so at a 90-degree angle. This is an earlier design. It needs an 1/8-inch spacer to actually go in at the proper angle. It's just a slight oversight on the design. We are going to be remedying this on the future kit, so you will not have to add the spacers to get it to sit at a 90. This piece here is the spine that goes on the back of the winch plate. This ensures the strength across the plate on the 3/8 steel. We're going to go ahead and tack this spine in place. And keep in mind, we're just showing you the tack welding. We're not teaching you how to weld here. This is just the assembly process. Once it's all tack welded in place, you're going to go back and finalize your welds. Make sure that you're using a certified welder. And make sure you're getting good penetration on the metal so nothing bends or fails down the road. So there's the spine tacked into place. From here, we're going to go ahead and grab the side brackets, which actually bolt to the frame. Sorry, this is the piece that bolts to the cross member on the truck. So then everything's slotted. Once the spine's in place, you can tack weld the center bracket in. Go ahead and tack the face of it.
Cool. Ready?
And now we can add the side plates. Because you're going to go in at a 90-degree angle. Again, they're slotted. It is imperative that your winch plate looks like this. The bolt pattern for the winch is offset to the driver's side. So you're going to want to make sure that as you assemble this, that you're putting everything on the right side. Follow the instruction manual as you see it, and you should be fine. And tack weld the side plate in. We're going to move to the other side and do the same thing. Again, it's going to be at a 90-degree angle.
Tack it.
Tack welding in place. Alright, so this is the completed winch plate. It just needs to be final welded and ground down, painted, or powder coated. This is what it will look like when it's fully assembled. Here's the Fairlead plate and the winch plate together. And the side brackets, which are going to be for your bumper standoff.
I'll roll this one over.
If you have any questions, definitely reach out, let us know. We'll try to answer them to the best of our ability.